Hey guys, Popeye Tech here, and I just wanted to follow up again on my issue with Facebook Messenger on the Surface Duo 2. Um, and this is after having already installed it uninstalled it and reinstalled it several times. Checking the update on the Surface Duo 2. So as of March 6th? There is no new update yet. So here I am going to launch Messenger again. So the issues that I was having before was anytime you press down to add a reaction, it's working now. Okay, so let's see. Let me close that app. You can also see that I don't have anything open in the background. Let's try that again. And again, now it doesn't work. Now, the solutions are actually quite simple. I don't know why it doesn't work here. Like, if all I do is I move the app to the other screen, it will work. Okay. Another solution that I found, let's see, let's launch it again. It doesn't work again. So again, it is just rotating Surface Duo, and just like the last time, it shrinks down the window, but when you press on it, it expands it, and then it works. Okay, so those are the only solutions that I have found. It just seems to be kind of random, and then it opens up. And some, and then it's a simple rotation or moving the app to the other screen allows you to work. So it's not something that's really big or a bother. I just wanted to, I just want to know if you guys still have, if you guys have this problem. Some of you, someone said they don't have this problem at all. So the only thing that I can think about doing, but it's not that big that I want to reformat or restart or the Surface Duo, so start it from scratch again. I just don't really want to do that right now. Maybe if I find other things, but this is the only app that I seem to have problems with. And let's just go back to the whole concept of when I span it across both screens. It does the whole rotation thing, but now at least the reaction icons appear on the screen, but instead of just rotating in one direction, it just consistently rotates over and over and over again. So here's an example. So it will continue to do this unless I press the screen again. And when I press the screen to make the reaction icons go away, then it stops. If I can get it. There we go. And while it's spanned and I hold it in portrait mode, the same thing happens. So I'll try to press the emoticons here. And there you go. So I can't figure out this whole thing with the rotation, stuff like that. And I know that some of you, someone said that they didn't have this problem. So yeah, the only thing I can think of is the possibility that I have to just kind of refresh or reinstall everything on my phone. So it's not working again. And it's working now. Oh well, it's not a biggie. I can live with it. I really like using the phone. Multitasking is just amazing, and it's very fluid in terms of trying to open two apps at the same time. It's just so much easier. Alright guys, well, thanks a lot for being here, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.